If you've been looking for a beginner crochet project that's actually useful, something you'll reach for every single day, I think you're going to love this one. This is the Cottage Coaster. It works up in under an hour, it only uses one stitch, and when you're done, you'll have something genuinely beautiful for your home. I'm Maribel, and today I'm going to walk you through this pattern, start to finish, so grab your hook and let's get into it. I designed this coaster because I wanted something that felt handmade and intentional, not like something you grab at a big box store, but something that actually fits the cozy cottagecore home I'm always working toward. The speckled cotton yarn I used gives it a beautiful earthy texture, and the round shape keeps it looking classic no matter what color you choose. This pattern is also perfect if you're newer to crochet. You're only using double crochet stitches, no fancy techniques, no confusing abbreviations. If you can chain and double crochet, you can make this. I'll drop a link to the full written pattern in the description below so you can follow along on paper too if that helps. Here's what you'll need: a worsted weight cotton yarn. I'm using about 25 to 30 yards per coaster. A size G hook, which is 4.25 millimeters, a yarn needle for weaving in ends, and scissors. We're going to start with a magic ring. If you're not familiar with a magic ring, it's just an adjustable loop that lets you pull your center closed nice and tight, no hole in the middle. Make your loop, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and chain 3. That chain 3 is going to count as your first double crochet throughout this pattern, so keep that in mind as we go. Now work 15 double crochets into that ring. Then pull your ring closed and slip stitch to the top of your chain 3 to join. Chain 3, that's your first stitch. Then double crochet. Then work an increase 2 double crochets into each stitch for the next 14 stitches all the way around. A quick tip: if you lose count, look for the V shape on the top of your stitches. Each V is 1 stitch. Count those and you'll always know where you are. Slip stitch to the top of your chain 3 to join. You should have 30 stitches. Chain 3, that's 1 stitch. Then we're going to work a pattern of double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 double crochets in the next stitch after that. Repeat all the way around 14 times total. very end, double crochet in the last stitch before your join. Then slip stitch to the top of your chain 3. That gives you 44 stitches. You'll start to really see your circle growing nicely here. You're almost there. Chain 3, double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 double crochets in the stitch after that. Now we work our repeat. Double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 2 double crochets in each stitch after. Repeat that 13 more times around. A few quick tips before I let you go. First, blocking. If you wet your finished coaster and lay it flat to dry, it will lay perfectly even and flat. It makes a big difference, especially with cotton. Second, stitch markers are your best friend on rounds like these. Pop one in the first stitch and each stitch and you'll never lose your place. And third, cotton yarn can be a little splitty compared to acrylic, so slow down if you need to, and make sure you're going through both loops of each stitch. Finish with a double crochet in the last 2 stitches. Then slip stitch to join. You should have 58 stitches. Your coaster should be looking nice and flat right about now. If it's curling, your tension might be a little tight. And if it's ruffling, loosen up just slightly. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. There's something really satisfying about a project you can finish in one sitting and actually use every day. The full written pattern is linked in the description below. It's available in my Buy Me the Coffee shop, and it includes all the stitch counts and notes we covered today. If this video is helpful, a like and subscribe helps me keep making content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crocheting!